G'day patrons, I'm just doing a little bit of extra filming for the purple potato harvest clip. I'm just going through and looking for any potatoes that may have some scab on it, because I'm cooking up some potato salad tonight and I wanted to find a little bit just to show the folks on the clip. So there's a little bit there, just a little bit of potato scab. All I'm doing is just chopping it off with a knife. There's a little bit left behind there, so I might just go a little bit deeper. And there we go, scab is gone. Slice it in half. It's ready to become potato salad. Here's another one here. It looks like it's a bit of a blister. I don't know if it's really coming up in the screen there. On a bit of a weird angle. Just slicing it off like that. So I don't think this is exactly riveting entertainment, but yeah, it gives you a bit of an idea on what the scab looks like. Just taking it off and that's fine. This one here looks like something's actually munched down into the spud. Take a V out, I think. Maybe a bit deeper. Yeah, and she's all good. Slice her in half and in she goes. So there you go. I might actually give you guys a bit of a look at what the potato salad looks like at the end. Look at that one for a funky centre. Most of them are purple though, which is pretty cool. Some of them were very, very dark. Some of the first ones I popped in. Very, very dark. I was actually looking a lot lighter in the camera lens. There you go, that's a real dark one. But I'm just rubbing on now. Oh, there's another little lesion. Slicing off. And just to give you a look at the greens for the salad, I've got some green onion or spring onion that will be going in with some celery into the actual potato salad itself. I've got some sweet potato leaves there, the purple Hawaiian from out the front. Some beans, there's actually a couple of little honey pod peas in there still. Over the back I've got some perpetual spinach and also some beetroot leaves. A little hearting head of the speckled cos from the aquaponics, and I took this one off from the ground. It's just starting to get a bit of a flower spike, so I thought I'd throw it in too. And I've taken off some of this coral lettuce from near the power cabinet at the aquaponics. So anyway, that stuff there, salad. This stuff here, potato salad. You better get cracking. So here's a bit of a look at how the potatoes turned out after they were boiled for potato salad. Some of them held their colour fairly well, while others pretty much lost all of it. So it's hard to know if that one was actually purple all the way through. I can tell you though that the water was fairly blue when I poured it out of the pot. So there you go. Just gives you a bit of an idea on how these potatoes turned out after they were cooked. So here's the potato salad. I'm using the celery and the green onion from the patch and some red capsicum or red pepper we bought, and cashews. I love roasted cashews with my potato salad, and I have also been known to put bacon in there. So try and get a little bit of everything. Oh, the only thing I haven't put in here yet is salt and pepper. We tend to do that on the plate because not everyone likes pepper with their potato salad. And the dressing. The dressing is a 2 parts sour cream to 1 part mayonnaise. I think I put a little bit too much in tonight, so I'm going to give this a taste test, off camera of course. Absolutely divine. This is one of my favourite salads. I would double dip, but it's on camera and the girls will get me in trouble. The only other variation we do on this is Bianca likes to add some boiled eggs, hard boiled eggs in. But yeah, not tonight. And we don't normally put them in if we're putting bacon in. So there you go folks, just a bit of a look for you guys on how I've used up these, or the smaller purple Congo potatoes from the harvest. Cheers guys.